Hi there, in this tutorial I am going to show you how we can change a grayscale image to a monochrome image. So in here I have a grayscale image. First I need to change the mode from grayscale to CMYK. So open image mode, then change the grayscale to CMYK. Because I wanted to use it for print, I change it to CMYK. Otherwise, for using on web, you need to change it to RGB. Okay, so select CMYK. In the layer menu, you can select adjustment and then photo filter. There is another way to find the photo filter. Simply go to layer menu and new adjustment layer, then select photo filter. After selecting photo filter, we can change the color to any color that you need to change and hit OK. Or if you wanted to edit the color, you can select color and click on the color and change the color to any color that you wanted. Hit OK. By playing with the density, you can change the density of the color into the image. If you open layers one more time, you can see a mask layer is, an adjustment layer is added on top of the actual image. And you can see how it changed the gray image to monochromic image. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching.